In order to create your own location on Instagram, follow the simple steps. Instagram does not allow users to create custom locations directly, but you can do so through Facebook as Instagram retrieves locations from there. So open your Facebook application on your device and make sure that you're logged in and your Facebook account is connected to an Instagram account where you want to change your location. Once you're in the homepage, tap on what's on your mind in the top of the screen. Now create a post, add a video, photo, or write anything. After that, click on Add Location. Now enter the name of your custom location that you want to set. For example, where am I, or my secret spot, whatever you want to create. When you try to check in or add location, you will see the option to enter the name of your custom location and then choose a category that fits, such as business or landmark, and then set the location at the map. Adjust the pin to your desired spot, and once you create the location, it will be available on your Instagram. After that, when you add a location on Instagram next time, search for your custom location and it should appear. So this method works best for businesses, events, or personal custom spots. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.